How to buy Uber Eats gift card. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser or the Safari. And in the source bar, search for Amazon. Different sites will be visible to you. Head over to the official page of Amazon.com. It will open up your Amazon app. Once you're in here, in the source bar, you need to search for Uber Eats gift card. Click on this option. At the very top, you can see your Uber Eats gift card. Click on it. Now scroll down and you will have to fill up some of the informations. First of all, enter an email for each recipient and then enter your name. You can also include the message for them. And select the quantity of the gift card. Choose the date to be sent. And once you are done, click on Buy Now. You will have to make a payment with the suitable payment method. After that, your gift card will be received. So that's it, and this is simply how you can buy Uber Eats gift card. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.